Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare maca versus black maca. Maca, a remarkable root from the Peruvian Andes, has gained global recognition for its adaptogenic qualities and rich nutritional profile. While all maca varieties offer general wellness support, black maca stands out as a distinct and often more potent form. We will explore their shared characteristics and unique advantages to help you understand their differences. Let's dive in. While all maca shares a common origin, black maca distinguishes itself through several key factors. Its darker pigmentation is a visual cue to its unique composition. Many experts consider black maca to be the most potent variety, often possessing a slightly sweeter flavor profile. Research suggests it contains specific compounds that are less prevalent in other maca colors, contributing to its specialized health benefits. These differences are crucial for targeted supplementation. When we look at specific benefits, black maca shines in certain areas. Studies indicate its potential for enhancing male fertility, supporting healthy sperm production, and improving bone density. It is also frequently associated with boosting memory, cognitive function, and physical stamina. While red maca is often favored for female hormonal balance and yellow maca for general vitality, black maca offers a more targeted approach for these particular health goals. Deciding which maca is right for you depends on your individual health objectives. Maca is widely available in various forms, including convenient powders, capsules, and liquid extracts. A common daily dosage ranges from 1 to 3 grams, but it is always wise to consult a healthcare professional before incorporating any new supplement into your routine. By understanding the unique properties of black maca, you can make an informed choice to best support your well-being.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.